In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Airtable with Jotform Workflows. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then log in to your account. Click the menu at the top and select My Workflows. Click Create Workflow, then choose the Request Approvals template to open the Workflow Builder. Click the starting point and select the Jotform you want to use as the trigger for the workflow. In the workflow, delete the connection between the approved step and end to make room for the Airtable integration. Click Add Element, open the Integrations tab, search for Airtable and select Create Record. Click the Airtable element, then click Authenticate to connect your Airtable account. After that, choose the base and table where you want your approved submissions to be saved. Match your Jotform fields with the corresponding Airtable fields, then click Save. Connect the Your request has been approved step to the Airtable element, then connect the Airtable element to the end step. When you're finished, click Publish to activate the workflow. That's how to integrate Airtable with Jotform Workflows. Thanks for watching.